Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So lately there's a lot of discussions regarding these August and February batches. So yes, today I'll be discussing about the main difference between August and February batch. If I start from the basics, if I talk about Indian Maritime University, IMU provides three undergrad courses for people who have appeared for IMUCET, and these three courses are very well known to I guess all of you, which are BSc Nautical Science, Diploma in Nautical Science, and BTech in Marine Engineering. So if I talk about BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering, the course or these batches start from August itself. There are no admission procedures taken up for BSc and BTech in February batch. There's only one batch which is August for BSc and BTech. So if in case you want to get yourself enrolled in this BSc and BTech course, you have to apply for IMCET, get a good rank and take your admission in this August batch itself. Now if I talk about DNS course or Diploma in Nautical Science leading to BSc Nautical Science, it has two batches, February and August. Now if I talk about August batch, there are more companies coming in for August batch and compared to February batch, and also there's more opportunities. Now what exactly do I mean by this is you give IMECT and you sit for sponsorship examinations. As we all know, we require sponsorship for August batch. So there are more seats and more companies coming in for the August batch. Whereas for February batch, comparatively there are less seats and less opportunities, I would say. And if I talk about companies coming in for Feb batch, there are basically 5 companies which always come for Feb batch, namely ESM in Samudra, Anglo Eastern, Great Eastern, SCI and Seven Islands. And apart from these, 3-4 more companies do come in Feb batch. But compared to August batch, we have a lot of companies coming in for approximately about 17 to 18 companies come in for sponsorship in August batch. So yes, if I break down this in short, there is more opportunities, more scope in August batch because there are more seats and more companies coming in. Whereas in Feb batch, the competition is also tough because there are less seats and more people again applying in for the sponsorship part.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, और जो स्किप नहीं होगा इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Also, one more thing which I would really like to add here is in August batch we have a trend from companies. Companies really like to take many of their students in bulk. Selections in August batch are done in bulk by companies, to be honest, compared to Feb batch. Whereas in Feb batch, as already mentioned, seats are less and companies MMSI and V ships come in and take very few students only. So yes, and also there's one more thing in Feb batch, shifted students. This has happened with a lot of our students. Many students get selected in August, but due to some medical reasons or merit list reasons, they are shifted to the February batch. And yes, so already there are very less seats in Feb batch, and in that very less seats also a lot of seats are allotted to the shifted students. We can give a very good example here, taking into consideration Anglo Eastern. Anglo Eastern has about only 120 around seats for its Feb batch, out of which 30 to 40 are always gone for its shifted students. Now if we talk in terms of IMUCET, this is a very huge doubt a lot of students have. I would really like to clarify it here. IMCET only happens once every year. Alright, there is no separate IMCET conducted in the month of December for February batch. Earlier in the year 2020 and 21 it used to happen, but it is not going to happen now or further as well. It has been already declared by IMU itself that IMCET will be only conducted once every year in the month of June for August batch. Alright, now for people who are going in for Feb batch or applying for Feb batch for the sponsorship part, they also have to attain a good IMCET rank. And when do they give this IMCET? The previous August batch. So for example, people who gave IMCET this August 2024 are also eligible to appear for sponsorship tests in February 2025, taking into consideration their IMCET rank in this August 2024 batch. And for people who have scored in IMCET rank above 5000, I would recommend you to also sit for the sponsorship tests. Even if you don't get selected or get merit out, no need to get demoralized. You can just prepare for the upcoming August 2025 batch. So if you have any doubts regarding these August or February batches or anything regarding these maritime industry examinations, more specifically IMUCET or sponsorship examinations, you can just let me know in the comments down below. Or what I'll do is I'll provide you all with a link in the description box below. It is a free of cost call assistance from our budding marinas team. So mentors like us will call you and help you with all your doubts. So yes, that will be it from my side for today. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
रुको, do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए? Then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.